Assalamualaikum. This is our Oritatami website. As you can see here, the device is already connected to the website. So this is our Oritatami prototype. As you can see there, there's two sensors. One is ultrasonic sensor, and one more is moisture sensor. So let me put a cloth first. So I already put a cloth. So let's go back to the website. Okay. So let's go to the controls. Right here you can start the folding. So let's fold. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it's already folded into a nice folding cloth. So let's go back to the website. Right here, you can monitor the data. As you can see, previously I've already folded 21 times. So plus with the one just now, it becomes 22. So also you can check the temperature and the humidity of the clothes. Okay, thank you very much.